Alright, connecting Meta to our e-commerce operating system is the best thing we can do. So in the last couple of videos, we have created our e-commerce operating system, which is a folder on our laptop, include all the context about our store. And then we have created a product page and then we have conducted a research and we have written our copy and we have created our product page and advertorial page. Now what left? Now we need to send traffic to our product page. So this is a product page we have created yesterday or in the last video with just a simple prompt. We said, hey Claude, use the research in this page and the Higgesfield connection and go and create a product page for our product. So as you can remember, I just gave it a screenshot of a coffee bag and it went and create these images. It write these copy and everything is set up. But in this video, we are going to send traffic to this product page so people can actually purchase our product. And for that, we are going to connect our Meta ad account. So we are going to launch campaign and we have even an agent that monitoring our ad account 24/7 and send out Slack message or Telegram message or WhatsApp message. I connected my Telegram message and it sending me Telegram message, but you could connect all of these messaging app. This when we deploy this agent to the cloud, this agent is going to run 24/7 and it's going to flag anything in our ad account. It's going to spot any fatigue that coming into our ad account or any recommendation about the concept of the angle, how to change the create, or if we need to change the creative or the ad format. It's going to spot that and it's going to notify us. So we are here in our e-commerce operating system. We have created the folder. We gave our eCom OS a home on our machine to live in. And then we have created and we have conducted a research and written our copy. And we built our pages, advertorial page and product page. And in today's video, we are going to create our ads. But before that, I'm going to show you the depth of the research we have conducted here. I have shown you this page before, but I haven't shown you the depth of this research. So when I go inside this research and I go inside the copy and then go inside the campaign spine, you will see we have our primary avatar. It's like a weird but tired Sam, UK desk professional, 28 to 45 age. So he drinks like 3+ cups of coffee a day. He has caffeine anxiety and 3 p.m. crash. So his dominant desire, and we have his core fear, and we have like his destination belief, and then we have his main mechanism. I don't think we are going to use this mechanism. We're just going to use this information about his dominant desire and how about his core fear in our ad copy. So this is our campaign spine and this is our positioning. And this is our offer structure. The offer structure is being written in our product page here. So this is our offer structure is being written here and everything is locked. So, and then we have the copy distribution. We have the mass desire and we have the lead angle and we have things to avoid. So let's log in. So in this video, we have 4 things to do. First of all, we are going to create the creative and copy since we already have done our research and the copy as well is being written here somewhere. Agent is going to find it. And then we are going to launch this campaign and then we are going to ask our agent, hey, pull data from our ad account and suggest us changes. And then we are going to talk about the deployment phase where we deploy the monitoring agent that monitoring our ad 24/7. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So here's how my campaign structure is normally going to be like when I'm testing a new product. So I have one main campaign. Inside is like 3 ad set. Each ad set has like one concept. And then I'm going to split the ad format with static image ad, native image ad, and UGC videos. So I've created 3 ad format, 3 ad set, and 1 campaign. Inside this 1 campaign, there's 9 ads. So I've already created these ads with this agent. So I went back and forth and I've created these images. These are like native image ad image and static ad image, even UGC videos as well. So I went back and forth with Codex. I ran out of session with Claude and I came back to Codex and I said, hey, create native image ad and static image ad and UGC video for these videos. You can see native image ad, static image ad, and UGC videos. These were all with Higgesfield. So as you can see, this is Higgesfield and this is not my Rabio OS. This is rather my personal OS, but my Rabio OS is connected to this personal OS, so they contact each other. As you can see, inside the temp folder, I have Rabio, and this is my personal OS. So I'm going to go to Rabio OS and ask it to launch these ads into my ad account to create a campaign and launch it. So here we are inside Rapio operating system. As you can see, I have 3 UGC videos here for the same product. As this is the Vitality Mushroom Coffee, inside of which I have native and I have static and I have UGC. These are the copy. If I open this, you will see the copy here, and these are the UGC video I've created. If I played this, you might watch this UGC, oh, this avatar is speaking. And then I have another video as well. This also created with Higgesfield, and then have a third video as well. And then I have like native image ad images. When I say native image ad, I mean image that doesn't look like an ad. It doesn't scream ads. So the difference between native image ads and static image ad is static image ad normally talk to like a bottom of funnel, and native image ad talk to like a broader audience, or top of funnel, or unaware audience. So look, this is the difference between static image ads and native image ads. Native image ads look like a natural post that anyone can post this into their account with long copy, like 1,000+ words. And normally the static image ad will be very short. So we have just headline, subheadline, and very short primary text. The same for UGC video. We have headline, and then we have subheadline, and we have like these are the script, and then we have like headline, subheadline, and a very short primary text. So I'm going to combine all of these 3, native image ads, static image ads, and then UGC video into one campaign. So I have my prompt ready here. I'm just going to give this prompt to Claude, and Claude is going to launch our campaign. So let's see. I'm not just launching Meta ad account. I actually have this ad account. Is a terrible ad account. When I just start out on e-commerce, I have this ad account. So as you can see, this like 6 months ago. When I click update, I have like 15 purchases, and my ROAS is crazy. It's like less than 1%, less than 1. I actually losing money. I was like, on every £1 I get, I paid £3. That is crazy. I did that for 2 months, and the reason for that is when I started doing e-commerce, I don't know anything about media buying. I don't know anything about creative testing. I don't know anything about copy. I don't know anything about creating these nice product pages. I was just dumping images in ad account and hoping and praying. So I spent like 3,000 or so in this ad account. I got 15 purchases and I shut it all down. So I'm going to ask Claude what went wrong in this ad account, and how we are going to, if you want to improve this ad account, how we are going to do it, how we are going to make our CPM lower, even though the CPM is very low here, and how we can improve our CTR. As you can see, CTR is very low, by increasing our hook, or like angle, something like that. And then we are going to lower our CPC. The CPC as well, very long. So I don't know what went wrong in this ad account. At that time, I don't know how to read metrics. I don't know anything about Meta ad account. So I'm going to give Claude access to this ad account and give it a prompt to suggest me changes. So I'm just give it a prompt to see my ad account ID, and then it should know what I'm talking about. So the agent I asked it to audit my Meta ad account came back with these info. So first of all, these are the questions I have asked: how to raise my CTR, how to raise my conversion rate, how to lower my CPM and CPC, and it came back with this diagnosis. So first of all, this is all the campaigns I have in my ad account. One of them I spent like 700 and only get 1 purchase. One of them spent 600, got like 4 purchases. One of them spent 1,000 and got 9 purchases. And none of them were break even. So all my ROAS is less than break even number. So this is a diagnosis. First of all, my creative and hooks is the strongest area, not the weakest. So my CTR wasn't that bad at all. But the one thing I have is I have many people add this to their cart and none of them purchase. So my landing page was terrible. My checkout was terrible. It came out with a plan. So the priority one to increase my conversion rate by making a good landing page and fixing my landing page load. And then priority 2, lower CPM and CPC by fixing audience and placement. And then how to raise my CTR by dealing down what already works. So it said my hook and creatives already work, but I don't know. And I asked it, hey, what is my ROI? So I need the ratio between spend to gain. And my ROI is absolutely terrible. Look at this. On every pound I spend, I only get 22 cents. I will say it again. On every pound of dollar I spend, I get 22 cents. I'm absolutely loser here. So to break even, to get to 1 to 1, or to be profitable 1 to 3, I need to do like 14x improvement. So I wish I have known this earlier, this e-commerce operating system earlier when I just started this ad account. So I wish it could create these beautiful static image ads and native image ads. When you look at my ads previously, I just using the image from the supplier and just write the description from the supplier on my ad account, and I still got purchases and I still have people add my product to their cart. But the problem was me, and I don't know this system yet at that time. So our campaign agent is still building the campaign. I'm just going to wait from him to finish building the campaign. By the way, if you want to get this e-commerce operating system folder, plug it into your store and start using it. Come to my free school community here, AI Operator Lab. Come to eCommerce OS, and you will get the exact operating system folder. Just download this folder and plug it into your store and start using it. And if you don't like the headache of technical setup, just come to my Mizan AI website, book a call, and we will discover how to plug in this eCom operating system into your store. So see you there. Our campaign were built in our Meta ad account. So, and it gave me the link back here. When I click on this link, it should take me to the campaign on my ad account. So let's see. All right, our agent seemed like it done with Meta ad campaign. It created the campaign and it gave us the link here. When I click on this, it should take me to my ad manager. So let's view the ad in Meta. It is loading. Yeah, here we are, Vitality Mushroom Coffee. So just go inside and see what it is in there. It should be just like we said to our agent, one campaign, 3 ad set, and inside each ad set, 3 ads. So the setting look good. We have like sale objective. Okay. All right. The budget is 100 a day. Okay. That's good. What about the ad set? Okay. There is a typo here. It maximizes the number of impression. It should be the number of conversion, right? All right. It seemed good. The age and gender, location. Okay. Let's just see the first ad, which is a proper coffee UGC video. So here's a video. I'm going to play this video just to watch it.
Mushroom coffee. I expected mushroom water, but this is actual medium roast coffee from Brazil and Mexico. Dark chocolate, nutty, full-bodied, no mushroom taste. The mushrooms are in the formula, not the flavor. Mushroom coffee.
All right. The UGC video look hyper-realistic, look very good. It just need like caption. We need to edit that and then re-upload it. So the link as well, it takes us to the product page. Yes, it is taking us to the product page exactly. Then we have the static image ad. Yes, static image ad. This look good. The copy look great. What about native image ad? Wow, this is great. So here's what the difference between static image ad and native image ad. Like, look, when I click on see more, how long is this copy? It's like a full article. So it's going to intensify the desire for our avatar, and they are going to buy this product. We are going to present this like as a recommendation, not as a sale pitch, not like static image ads. It tell exactly go and buy this. It is blah blah blah. But here we are not going to sell directly. Yeah. So we have 3 native image ad, 3 static image ad, and 3 UGC video. Another native image ad, another UGC video. Here we have. Let's play this as well.
Before you buy mushroom coffee, turn the bag around. You want real coffee first, not a sweet instant mix. Vitality adds lion's mane and chaba to proper ground coffee. That's the difference. Check the bag. Before you buy mushroom coffee.
I like the camera movement from the bag to the spoon to the face again. It's very, very hyper realistic UGC video. The problem it is just like 15 seconds. If like 30 seconds, I think it will be very good. But with C-Dance, we just have like 15 seconds is max. If you want to create more than 15 seconds, you have to like build inside the cinema studio. So, but anyway, it is very good. And then the ad set, we have the ad set. It's been separated by like the concept. So we have a proper coffee concept, and we have read the label concept, like you have watched the UGC video here say. And then we have the 3 p.m. crash. So these are the 3 concepts. If we are going to test this, we are going to test this, and we are going to pick the winner. One of 3 of these ad will be the winner. What do you think of this, guys? So now we have our ad ready. Launching our ad, it just take like a minute. But we have an agent that watch our ad 24/7, never sleep. So The agent we deploy in the cloud going to observe, diagnose, and recommend us changes or ad fatigue if our ads has like break even and it was scaling. It's going to observe, diagnose, and recommend us changes. And if we approve, it's going to act, and then the cycle is going to repeat itself. So what I'm talking about is this agent. So I have here agent called Ad Monitor. As you can see, it's running every other day. Here are the runs. So all the runs were successful. As you can see, every other day report to me in my Telegram and say we need to do X, Y, and Z. And as you can see, I have many other agents here. I have blog post agent, I have blog scheduler, I have email campaign, I have pipeline, I have like product watch, and I have even weekly product suggestions. It's going to scrape like a TikTok shop and recommend me product to sell. So if you want to deploy these agent working on your ad account, one is monitoring ad, one is watching your store, one is like email marketer, blog post scheduler, all of this, just come to my website Mizan AI and book a 15-minute free call, and we are going to figure out how to deploy this agent into your website. So this is what we have today. So what we have done right now, we gave it a product, it done a research, it built a product page, and it's built the meta ad campaign. So now traffic should be flowing into our ad account. But unfortunately, most of them will leave, and for that we need to catch them. So in the next video we are going to catch them with email flow, so abandoned cart series, welcome series. So, and for that we are going to connect our Klaviyo account to our e-commerce operating system, and we are going to create welcome series flow, and then abandoned cart series, and then customer thank you flows. So see you in the next video, and peace.